Welcome to another class 11 math class. Okay, previous day we have discussed about the relation and we have solved some problem regarding to relation. Today we will discuss about function. Whenever a relation is said to be a function, this is the topic today. Okay, so first of all, go to the definition. A relation f from A to B, you know here is the domain and B is the codomain, is said to be a function if f assigns every element of A with a unique element of B. Here you can see the relation f from A to B is said to be a function. So relation is converted to a function if f assigns every element of A with an unique element of B. That means here if this is domain and this is the codomain, then f has to cover all the elements of A. All the elements of A. F has to cover all the elements of A and with an unique element of B. That means if from this element this goes to this and this, that means this assigns to two elements of B, then it is not a function. Okay. So that means the every element of B assigns with an unique element, every element of A with an unique element of B. That means in this way, either in this way or in this way. This is actually one-to-one mapping and this is many-to-one mapping. Okay, so I am repeating the definition. A relation f from A to B is said to be a function if f assigns every element of A with an unique element of B. Okay, now if the order pair A comma B belongs to F, that means here f of A equals to B. That means here A is the pre-image and B is the image of A. Here A assigns to B by the function f, then actually B is called the image of A and A is called the pre-image of B. Okay, thus a function actually denoted by in this way. A function f from A to B, from the domain to the codomain, is denoted by in this way. One more thing, the range set. One more thing to discuss, the range set. What is the range set? The range set is the collection of all images contained in the codomain. That means range set is actually the subset of the codomain such that X belongs to A. So range set is the collection of all the images, that means all the effects such that X belongs to A. This is called the range set. Okay, now I am going to solve some problem. Exercise number 2.3. Exercise number 2.3. Just go through the problem. Which of the following relations are function? Give reason. If it is a function, determine its domain and range. Okay. So the first one is given as containing the order pair 2, 1, 5, 1, 8, 1, 11, 1, 14, 1, 17, 1. Okay, that means here all the elements 2, 5, 8, 11, 14, 17 all goes to actually 1. So yes, it is a function. I may say it is a function. Why? Because here f converts all the elements of the domain, okay, and it assigns to the unique element of the codomain. So here the domain, actually domain is 2, 5, 8, 11, 14, 17. Domain contains these elements, and the range set, you can see here all goes to 1. So the image is only here 1. So the range set only contains only one element. This is 1. So range set is singleton 1. So this is domain and this is the range set. Okay. Now move on to question number 2 of 1. Question number 2 of 1. Here it contains order pair 2, 1, 4, 2, 6, 3, 8, 4, 10, 5, 12, 6, 14, 7. So here 2 goes to 1, 4 goes to 2, 6 goes to 3, 8 goes to 4, 10 goes to 5, 12 goes to 6, 14 goes to 7. Okay, so you can see that here F covered all the elements of the domain and it assigned to the unique element of the codomain. So it is a yes, it is a function, and the domain contains the element 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, and the range set contains the element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. This is the range set and this is the domain. The domain is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, and the range set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay. Now move on to question number 3. Number 3 of 1. Here it is given the ordered pair 1, 3, 1, 5 and 2, 5. So here 1 goes to 3 and 1 goes to 5 and 2 goes to 5. So there is a problem arises because 1 goes to 3 and 1 goes to 5. So it doesn't assign to a unique element of the codomain. So this is not a function. Okay. 1 goes to 3 and 1 goes to 5. So it does not assign to the unique element of codomain. So it is not a function. So now question number 1 has been solved. In the next class we will discuss about some special functions. Okay, some special functions and their graphs. That's all for today. Thank you.